Developed alongside artisan makers working in hospitality, Bistro is a porcelain body that combines strength with elegance. Its high alumina content delivers exceptional durability and chip resistance, while maintaining the finesse and luminous finished porcelain is known for. It's the perfect clay for creating pieces that are handled daily, stacked high, washed repeatedly, and still expected to look beautiful. In fact, its fired strength is 38% stronger than our other porcelains. Traditional porcelain struggles with sudden temperature changes. Its low thermal conductivity and brittle nature create intense internal stress known as thermal shock, which can lead to cracking. Bistro performs differently. With higher thermal conductivity and greater fracture toughness, it distributes heat more evenly and resists the internal stresses caused by rapid temperature change. This beaker was chilled for 3 hours and then filled with boiling water, demonstrating Bistro's superior resistance to thermal shock. No cracks, no compromise. Bistro Porcelain, made for makers, built for service.